Fantastic.
Okay, okay. So what's up? What is going on?
Yeah, just like my practice is going on. So I think that after 5 days after I'm going to start.
Okay, okay. As soon as possible, just start very quickly. Don't take tension. Okay, as soon as possible, as well as possible in your life, just start. Okay. Don't think about the result. What will happen in the future? Nothing will happen. Everything will be fine. All will be happen very good. Okay. So don't think about the result. Don't think about the future. Just think about the present. Okay, which is at your hand.
Yes, 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 absolutely. You're right, sir. Everything is, in present in our hand. So yes, I'm thinking to after 5 days I will open, not I will start teaching.
Okay, okay. Why not start tomorrow and day after tomorrow? Why do not start today? Just think about that. I have to start from today. Okay, just think about that.
Yes, sir. I have watched your video in someone means I am forgetting that it is comparing you are comparing how to say she was saying about Jadu Kisko like you are speaking English means this time.
Yes, yes. Today morning, no. Yesterday evening, I have talked with one sister. So she was also telling that you are just style, and she was from Pakistan.
Yes. Okay, she was
So
from Pakistan.
and she are just comparing that you are just speaking like Jadu. But I have confessed and I have told that sister I am not Jadu. I have never talked with Jadu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Day by day, your name is trending. Means people are comparing to with Jadoo. I mean that is a good indication. I think but you are multi-talented. You have lots of knowledge about different sector.
Yes, yes, because I daily watch half an hour and an hour English conversion video. But it is not mean that whether the person is speaking English, but if they are speaking Hindi and they are just teaching about physics, chemistry, mathematics, and other subjects just like history and geography, economics. So I am also eager to learn about the things about the economy. So that's
Yes, yes.
why day by day. But I am not having much knowledge of English. I am having little knowledge of every subject because of I am just interested in teaching. So that's why I am getting knowledge of every subject little.
Yes, yes. So still you are in this time field side. So I think that
Yes,
10
yes,
minutes
yes.
after it will be getting dark.
Yes, yes. After 10 minutes from now, it will be getting dark because when I comes from my home and I am speaking on my farmhouse, so I am feeling better and I am very comfortable talking on the farmhouse because inside living in the rooms, network problem is coming and sometimes from other side, front person along with whom I am going to speak, so their voice and their network is coming issue, and so that in order to remove that kind of network issue, I am just coming out from my home and I am very comfortable to speaking, and no network issue is coming from outside.
Yes, yes. Also, I'm thinking to speak like you means if I go, field site, I will feel there means more confident because there are no any people. I can speak loudly. Loudly is also helping in how to correct any sentence means pronunciation. But in home, if I speak loudly, then what will think nearby people? That's why I'm not speak loudly here in living home.
Yes, yes, because some video I have made inside living the room, but that time no, some person will come and they will disturb and they will just sit in front of my mouth and they will gaze and टकटकी नजर से देखेगा and every times disturbing, knocking the door and coming inside, going outside, disturbing, come here, go there, just like that things is happening inside, talking inside the room.
Yes, that you Pakistani woman you talked means you are speaking many words. I think that you know many vocabulary English. You have no. Yeah, before then no before time you know all the words. Yeah, in this day you are learning new words.
Yes, yes. But frankly saying that half of the word I knew before 1 month. But from childhood, 1 and 2 and 3 words about the I was describing about the tree.
Oh,
No.
yes, yes.
Yes, yes. So tree no, I know, and you also know. Leaf I know, and also you know also. And a stem no. But 4 and 5 words I have learned 3 days before.
So what are you thinking after, closing this Skype? How we will connect? Do you have any idea?
Okay, okay. I don't have any idea that how to speak, but this is my real friend. You are my real friend. How to use? I will give you a number and I will talk on the WhatsApp group.
Yes, yes. Someone suggested me to you have to create a WhatsApp group and you have to add their number. Means we can chat, we can talk anytime, video call, audio call.
Yes, yes.
I think that I
And
should start with the connecting with the people, means audio call. Video
okay,
no.
okay. Yes,
WhatsApp
yes. You
call.
just create. My dear brother, my dear brother, you just start and create a group, and I will join, and you will add in your group. Okay, no need to create more than one and two channels like the Skype. Okay, one channel and two channel will be created. Will create. Either you will create and me create. I am not thinking that I will create. You create and you add and you started because because if you will create today one channel a WhatsApp group, so on that time in the same day one and two people will add and not large number of people will be come to join in your WhatsApp group created by you. So little every day you will add one and two group. And if by the chance if the Skype will be deleted from the YouTube's from the Google's, so that will not harm our English because I am also depend on the Skype app and you are also depend on a Skype app. And I am truly saying, my dear brother, that I have learnt English language after joining this Skype app.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I can't forget about the Skype app till my death because last year I was not thinking, I was never thinking that I will speak English in the future in 2005. But nowadays I am speaking because of a Skype app. Because after joining the Skype app, I am speaking. I am truly saying. But how can I forget a Skype app? And I never joined other app than the Skype. And I loved Skype very much because I have made family on the Skype app. You got, I got a friend like you on the
Yes,
Skype app.
yes. I have developed my communication skill, communication skill through this application. So, I joined in my life many institutes, but they did not develop. But I think that this application through I am learning English.
Yes, yes, you are also learning other people and 100 of the people today joined this app. And after that, they are enhancing their communication skill of English. And of course, no doubt, they can also say that I have learned English because of a Skype app. After joining the Skype app, I am learning English and I am speaking English like this. Everybody will
Yes,
say.
yes. This time my side means darkness has started. Means I can't. My picture are not coming clearly. That's why I come in front of the lights. But your mobile is capturing good light. Means everything is capturing very good. In your mobile camera is very good. I think that.
Yes, yes, mobile camera is very good because I am standing on my farmhouse edge, and you can say that on the sky there is a cloud available on the sky, and still light is coming from surrounding.
Yes, yes. But I think also in my side clouds are available in the sky, because I think that it will go 2 3 days. It will leave like cloudy.
Okay, okay. So please, brother, tell me that Skype will be deleted, or it is a rumor, or it is a superstition created by
No, no,
the
no.
someone
Will
mouth.
be created because I have no in my profile. I can see that notification. Everyone's mobile are showing this notification. You also can
Yes, yes.
check there.
Yes, I can. I have 5 days, 10 days before I have checked the notification that some person and in every groups that message have been written that in coming 19 and 15 March, April, the Skype app will be deleted from the Googles. So what will happen? The life of the student, because this is educational app and this is a good app. Only data is consuming and nothing extra doing because of this app. It is a good apps and this is a good apps for educational purpose.
Yes. Also here are showing that you can shift your data and everything content in Microsoft Teams. One application I have loaded. If we'll say that you change means you shift, then I will shift. In this time I haven't shift.
Okay. So so in this time that from today, after 5 days from now, you are going to start a new batch of English, and they
Yeah.
will be student of class 12th, and they will be Hindi medium student, and you will teach the Hindi medium student of class 12, and you will teach them how to speak English and how to conversate with other person. So it is good
Yes.
thing, and you just start. Okay, and never
Yeah.
mind that what will happen. Nothing will happen. You have confidence person. You have a lot of confidence, a lot of energy. Nothing will happen. Okay, think positive. Be positive in your life. Okay, success will come. Okay, don't think about the success. Success will come automatically at the hand of you.
Yes. Thank you, sir, advising me. In this time only you are advising me. You have to do this thing. Thank you.
Yes. I'm a teacher, and I have learned a lot of things after teaching because I was nothing knowing before starting the coaching classes. But after joining the coaching classes, after starting the coaching classes, I have learned a lot of things. So that's why,
Yeah.
in my personal experience, I am just sharing with you.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Day
Oh,
is getting darker, so I think that may be problem to go your home. I think it will take to reach there 10 minutes from you are there standing.
yes. It is my farmhouse. I don't fear. I don't care that because if I will stand on the other farmhouse, other farmer land, so it will be difficult for me. Other farmer will say me, but I am standing and I am talking at my own farmhouse. So I am not fearing about that who will come and nothing no will come. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Bye bye. Good night. Take care and have a night.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.